Let me weigh this real quick. 9.2 pounds and quarters. This is going to the Coinstar machine. Pulling silver ones out. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is a part of the $11,800 storage unit. I'm gonna make a Coinstar video, and we're gonna play a little game. We're gonna play how much change is in this jar. Here we have Uncle Michael crying in the background, and you guys wonder why I yell at him every day. And we have this beautiful piggy bank. It's not just called a piggy bank by lack of better words, but it's actually a piggy bank. It's a pig. So we're gonna take this coin bank here. We are all gonna guess. I'm gonna go to Coinstar. The closest to the total wins the change. What do you guys think? Is that a fair gamble? Winner keeps all.
Okay, yeah.
Now let me ask a question. Is this like the Price is Right, where if you go over by 10 cents, you're out? There's just
The closest exact number to the T.
I want to hear the rules ahead of time.
The pig. We're just going by the weight of that pig and speculation.
Right
yeah. This is the part of it. This is no.
And I can't tell if it's silver.
We gotta roll the dice. It's the gamble.
I'm gonna say $47.
We gotta write this down on a text or something, a group text.
Oh, you got it on video.
Okay.
Mine's $47.
Is there any? Did you guys pull the dollars out or no?
No, there's just change. I pulled the dollars out.
Yeah.
It's whatever's in there. You can see in there. You want to view the side. You can see how much silver's there. You can see how much silver's there.
There's a lot of pennies.
That's all you get.
You said 47?
Mm-hmm.
It's the closest number total.
54. 54.
No cents? Because remember, cents can make a difference. You're not going to go to
$54.99.
$54.99. All right, Scott, you got to come do your inspection.
You can't cheat. You're looking.
75.67.
Cool. Scott?
67. 67. 67, 67.
Cool.
It will be based on before the percent is taken off.
How much money is in there, not after
Yes,
12%.
the total is in there. Very good. We'll get that going. Stay tuned.
A few moments later.
It's been a long time since I bought this storage unit. It's been a long time since the guys you just saw made these guesses. And here we are. We're taking this bad boy. We're going to put it in a bag because I don't want to look ridiculous trying to take this into Walmart. And as well, it's kind of hard to shove the change out. So we're going to break this guy. It's not just sitting there trying to pour out that hole at the Coinstar machine. This is the second change jar we got out of the massive Beatles unit. I did one video, quarters for days, one whole jar. Let me weigh this real quick. 9.2 pounds and quarters. This is going to the Coinstar machine, and we're gonna see how much do you think is in value? There's just over 9 pounds. Let's head on to the machine. Let's take a look. All right, got my babies, and we're about to go in here. And we're pulling silver ones out right there. And we got all these foreign denominations and tokens, and 2 silver dimes came out of there. 11.9% they started. $162. That was less than I thought too. 4, they took out their cut. It was $40.22. Uncle Michael guessed the lowest, and that makes him the winner. He won the little contest. I appreciate y'all watching this video. I'm going to do a big Coinstar video. This is 58 pounds of change I've been saving from lots of storage units, and we'll be doing that soon. If you guys have any ideas for some way to make a Coinstar video fun, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget the like button, share button, subscribe, say something pretty, like have all notifications set to all.